What's up guys, I'm Owen, and today we're going to be doing a black badge install on my Honda Civic. So these are the regular silver badges right here. I have some black ones right over here. I got them for the front and the back. These are like gloss black. These aren't like matte black or anything, so it's really going to look nice with this paint. I have the front and the back right here. And I have this little install tool that came with them, so it should make it easy. These were really cheap. They're about $8 from eBay, but they did take about a month and a half to ship here from China. Honestly, $8 for some gloss black badges, I think is a pretty good deal. So I'm gonna go and show you guys how to install these right now. All right, so you're gonna wanna take a pry tool like this, like the one that came in, and you're gonna wanna kinda pry in between these two like that. And then what you're also going to want to do is put a piece of tape right there, and then you can, and just like that we have tape. So what you're also going to want to do is slide your pry tool in here just like that. I have tape so I can protect my paint. And then, I don't know if you can see down there, but that's where the clips are. So you can get something in there and kind of knock them loose, or you can also pry it off, but I'm going to see if I can try to knock them loose. Alright, so we got it off. I got a couple pieces of tape in there just like that. And what we ended up doing is sticking like the end of that in there. We also used one of these. We used a screwdriver, a hammer, pounding the end of that. That didn't work. Don't use that. We also used this screwdriver because it's a little bit thicker. So that worked. And honestly, you can't really get it off without breaking the clips. So if you get lucky, you can kind of just get one that's still kind of there, like that one. But the other one is totally gone. But there's two holes there, and the one I bought kind of has two little pegs. So here's the new one. As you can see, it's got some 3M tape on the back, and it also in these little pins, as you can see. So those go in these two holes, and those should slot in just like that. So you can see it looks a lot better. Okay, so it's gonna go right in here like that, like I just said. So as soon as you get this 3M tape off, just like that, you want to carefully do this because once that goes in, you might not get it out easily. So you're going to want to carefully get these two pegs lined up, just like that. And then once those are lined up, you just push it into place. Corey, you already know what time it is. What are you doing, Corey?
Boy.
Nope. Alright, so the way you get the back one off, you can see right here, is it'll normally be on just like that. And what you have to do is you have to get like a credit card or something and slide it all the way around. And then you should just be able to pull it right off. There's no clips or anything, just these two little pegs that go right in like that. Guys, what do you think of these new Amazon Prime trucks? They look pretty nice. They're like Mercedes. I mean, they're Amazon, so I'm not surprised, but what do you guys think? Put in the comments. Alright, so we've cleaned all the old resin and everything else, so now we're gonna go and put the new one on. First in the middle. Alright, there it is. Looks pretty nice. Definitely makes it look a lot better. But look at, we got a ton of goo gone and like residue and junk everywhere.
Probably should hose it.
Yeah, now we should probably. So after you do this and you have like goo gone and stuff everywhere, just like give it a quick hose down. Not sponsored. Give it a quick hose down so you can get all the old stuff off. Doesn't screw up your paint or anything. And also kind of shine everything up. Alright, so it is actually the day after, and just wanted to update you guys pretty quick. I've driven around a little bit. As you can see, the badges are still on. They're not coming off. Now again, I only spent $8 on them, so it's not like they're using crazy high quality adhesives. You can see there's a couple little pockets kind of around here where it's not stuck, but right in the middle that's stuck. That's not going anywhere. So that's on. In the back, I had to clean off all the goo gone and everything. And the back one is still on, just like that. That's not coming off. Also, quick PSA: always dry your car after you rinse it off, because you get really nasty water spots, and on a black car, not the prettiest thing.
So that's going to be it for the black badge install on my 2018 Honda Civic. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.